Hey, I'm Nathan with WebNuts. As a dev, I like to use cool tools, specifically tools that help me in my daily work. I use VS Code because it helps me be productive, it uses IntelliSense, and it's got extensibility. So today I'm going to go over my top 5 VS Code extensions. Coming in at number 5, we have the ToDoTree, which is an extension that allows us to jot down notes within the application so we can come back and address those features and bugs at a later time. It will also give us access to this extension tab that will allow us to see at a high level all the places that have those notes. Coming in at number 4 on the extensions list, we've got the AutoRename Tag. That's great if you want to quickly make an adjustment to your code. We want to refactor this H3 into paragraph tag, no problem. We just select the opening tag, type our tag name, and done. It automatically changes the closing tag. Pretty cool if you need to do quick refactors. If you're ever in your code editor and you're trying to figure out who wrote a piece of code, look no further than the GetLens. GetLens, as a VS Code extension, allows you to see inline commits. That way you can see who the author was and what the intent of that code was. And turns out the author was you. If you're like me and you use TypeScript in your web projects, I often encounter JSON that I would think, hey, I would really love to see this in a TypeScript model. Well, look no further than JSON to TS. So what we can do is we can say copy, and we can say JSON to TS, convert from clipboard, and now, lo and behold, we have our TypeScript model that follows the same structure that we had over here. If you're like me and you encounter a time where you think, I wish I could have a second pair of eyes on this code, well, you can with LiveShare. So LiveShare extension pack is built by Microsoft and lets you collaborate on the fly in real time with another developer. So essentially you get to have a Google Doc going on your computer so you can have 2 developers looking at the same code at the same time. It's pretty slick. Well, that's my list of top 5 VS Code extensions. If you have other ones, feel free to let me know in the comments, or if you have questions about the ones we talked about, feel free to let me know as well.